He's working on a barn where the sawmill stuff is. Brought a lot of his equipment down here, and he's been having people come in and do some stealing, taking batteries out their his stuff. But he's putting up a fence because back by that telephone pole is the railroad, and there's a road coming in there, and they park there and they come up and steal. So he put some trail cameras out here. Look, he's building a fence to try to keep them out. And so he caught the guy's face on the trail cam, and he took it to the cops, and the cops, one of the cops go, "Oh yeah, I know that guy," but the cops didn't want to do nothing about it. He's a little fish. They want somebody that can spill the beans on like drug people or something like that, he said. So they didn't do nothing. They had him, the picture of him on his place, but they said there wasn't enough evidence. How about that? Cops. But anyway, he's building a fence, and they're gonna crawl over that fence if they want in here bad enough. Anyway, he got his name. The cop told him his name, so he put on one of the cars way back over there. The guy got into it, and he put a paper going, "Chris, I know this is you stealing, so maybe that guy will come back and read that and know that he knows his name." But he don't live too far from here, and I thought, how disappointed. You go through all that trouble to catch that guy, and then the cops don't even do nothing about it. I better quit yakking. I gotta go help Bill. But he's over there doing all the work. This wood here, it's on the old side, nice and dry. And we're going to be taking it out back because it looks like scorpion heaven. And some of the bark is loose. So taking it out to the field where the donkeys can beat it up. Yeah, stomp them. They do. They kick that wood around and stomp it, and let them take care of the scorpions. That's funny.
Yeah, we eradicate scorpions, centipedes.
Yeah, we don't like biting things. But anyway, it's not too cold out here. What do you think the temperature is? About 50?
Oh, I think it's about 60, 65.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. It feels warm.
Yeah. So we're being careful because rattlesnakes do like to get under the wood. So we're being careful. Bill went and got another piece, and he brought 2 pieces over. We don't want that window to get busted. So we put some sticks on the side so we can keep going up on the truck and try to get what we can, and try to get what we can here. Here comes the train. This is stuff being shipped up from Mexico. Yeah. A lot of produce there. Something coming up from Mexico. And this happens all the time. Every day, day in, day out.
All the stuff coming from Mexico, China.
Probably comes from China. Come in from China from the back door. Probably. Yeah. This is a tumbleweed. It's got little flowers on it. So cute. They don't bite you yet, but they will bite you. It'll hurt. They're still a little tender. The train is so long, they had a booster train engine right there. Yeah. Well, I better help Bill. We're getting it down. Well, that's about all we can get. We don't like go over the cab, and our back tires isn't all that good to get a big old load.
Them tires is high mileage like me.
What are you mouthing about?
Huh?
I said, what are you mouthing about?
I said them tires is high mileage like me.
Yeah. Well, we'll be ready to go. Get on home and get this unloaded. Yeah, and we're being real careful because we're down to the ground, and that's where the snakes hide. Found a big old lizard here last year or year before. It was big. Great big. Oh, I wish I brought it home. Had it in my food forest. Eat bugs. Anyway, we're getting ready. Well, thanks for watching from out west Homestead. Talk to you later. Bye. We took the wood out back, and I am going to have it put up later. Taking the wood way out back. Thanks a lot.